Charlie speaks of lost love. You know someone great has gone. The sweet, the swinging music man had a Porky Pig hat on. A bright star in a dark age, when the band stands at 1,000 ways of refusing a black man admission. Black musician. In those days they put him in an underdog position. Southers and chitlins when Lester took him away. Armand Darwin black and white and some so red, and drove them from the hotel bed. Love is never easy. It's short of the hope we have for happiness, bright and sweet. Love is never easy street. Now we are black and white embracing out in the lunatic New York night. It's very unlikely we'll be driven out of town, or hang in a tree. That's unlikely tonight. This crowds are happy and loud. Children are up dancing in the street. In the sticky middle of the night, summer serenade of taxi horns and fun arcades, where rather wrong than the neon, every feeling goes on. For you and me, the sidewalk is an history book. It's a circus, dangerous clowns, balancing dreadful and wonderful perceptions evident, and day by day, generations on time. Charlie's bass and Lester's saxophone and taxi horns and brakes. And now Charlie's down in Mexico with the healers, so the sidewalks leads us. sign upon the awnings it says, apart by head to bar. And there's black babies dancing tonight.